Seattle, right near the Space Needle, near a bunch of museums. Pretty crowded today. Looks like everybody's off work. Some cool, looks like bamboo. And the famous Space Needle right behind me. Right there. Here in Seattle, day before our cruise, 8-9 days through the Pacific Ocean. I've seen many different locations we've never been to. Super excited. Right now we're just wandering the city. This is what's left of the gum wall. I was here last year, this whole thing was full of gum. Now, yeah, I was here last year, it was completely, now it's like... So now all they have left is this tiny heart shape full of gum. Otherwise everything else has been pretty much wiped out since I was here last year. I'm pretty sure I had a memory left right about there last year. All gone. Yeah. Doing it for your...
Oh, that's you that You ever go to Blizzard? Yeah.
Go inside. Inside the water. Woo! Getting soaking wet. Woo! Oh, now I'm wet. That was fun. Heading back to the hotel. Been a long day. Had a lot of fun. Tomorrow, super excited. Cruise time starts. Today was a taste of fun. Tomorrow the real fun starts. 8-9 days on Holland's MS Amsterdam. First time on a cruise longer than 10 days. Super excited.